How do I get Python? Installing Python on Windows is a slightly longer process when compared to installing Python on Linux. In Linux, it is as easy as running a command, and having it set up. With Windows or Mac OS, it takes a slightly different route. To get started working with Python 3, you will need to have access to the Python interpreter. Fortunately, there are several common ways to accomplish this. Regardless of your operating system, Python can be obtained from the Python Software Foundation website itself, at python.org. Typically, that involves downloading the appropriate installer for your operating system, Windows, Linux or Mac OS. Run it on your machine, then follow the instructions, so that you can properly install Python, and set up your environment. On Windows, you need to be sure to check the box that says Add Python 3 to Path, so you can ensure that the interpreter will be placed in your execution path. Otherwise, you won't be able to call Python. But there are also multiple alternatives, depending on your platform. On Linux, it provides a package manager that can be run to install Python. On Mac OS, the best way to install Python 3 involves installing a package manager, called Homebrew. Another option, if you are using Windows 10, is to use a feature called the Windows Subsystem for Linux (WSL), which allows you to run a Linux environment directly in Windows, and without the overhead of a virtual machine. On mobile operating systems, like Android and iOS, you can install apps that provide a Python programming environment, like Pythonista. This can be a great way to practice your coding skills, on the go. Alternatively, there are also several websites that allow you to access a Python interpreter online, without installing anything on your computer, at all. If you feel concerned about downloading Python onto your computer, or you just cannot do that for some reasons, then you are in luck. The Python Software Foundation offers an interactive Python shell, from Python Anywhere. You do not need to install it to use it, and it can be accessed on python.org/shell. Many other alternatives are Python Anywhere, REPL.it, and so on. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.